Welcome. We are going to do KCSE 2022 paper 2 question number 17, which reads, a wholesaler stocks two types of rice, refu and tamu. The wholesale price of 1 kg of refu and 1 kg of tamu are 80 shillings and 140 shillings respectively. The wholesaler also stocks blend A rice, which is a mixture of refu and tamu rice mixed in the ratio 3:2. Question A, Roman 1. A retailer bought 10 kg of blend A rice. To this blend, the retailer added some tamu rice to prepare a new mixture, blend X. The ratio of refu to tamu rice in blend X was 1:2. Determine the amount of tamu rice that was added. So let us interpret this question. So here we have a wholesaler who has two types of rice. He has one type of rice called refu. He has one type of rice called refu, which costs 80 shillings, per kg. And then he has another type of rice called tamu, which costs 140 shillings per kg. But if you want a mixture of both, he gives you an option to buy a mixture called blend A, which is a mixture of refu, and tamu in the ratio 3:2. So here we have a certain retailer who came and bought 10 kgs, of blend A. But this retailer went ahead and added some tamu rice to this 10 kg he bought of blend A, so that he created another blend called blend X. And blend X was as a result of 10 kg of blend A plus some tamu rice whose kg we don't know. So the question is asking, this tamu rice that was added, how much was it? So we have just interpreted the question. So now let us answer the question. How do you get the amount of tamu rice that was added to the 10 kg of blend A to create blend X? This is very simple. The first thing you will do is you will get the amount of kg of refu in the 10 kgs of blend A bought. The amount of kg of refu in the 10 kg of blend A bought. How are you going to do it? You're only going to say 3/5 times 10, which will give us 6 kg of refu in blend A bought. So there was 6 kg of refu in blend A bought. How did we do that? Blend A is a mixture of refu and tamu in the ratio 3:2. So all you need to do is take 3 over the total ratio and then multiply with the number of kgs bought. What about the amount of tamu in kg in blend A bought? How will we do it? We'll just say 2/5 times 10, which will be equal to 4 kg of tamu, in blend A bought. And remember, this blend A bought that was bought by the retailer was how many kgs? If you don't forget, it was 10 kgs. That is why if you do 6 plus 4, you'll get 10 kgs. But now, let me explain this question. Refu was there in blend A, but refu was not affected when the retailer created blend X. What was affected was tamu. Why? Because he added some tamu rice to the 10 kg of blend A bought so that he creates blend X. But this amount of kg of tamu that was added to blend A, do we know it? We don't know. So we will make an assumption and say let the amount of kgs of tamu added to the 10 kgs of blend A bought, let it be what? We say let it be y. So the number of kgs of tamu rice that was added to blend A to create blend X, let it be y. So how will this help us? Remember, refu was not affected. But the good thing with the question is that it has told us blend X has a ratio of refu is to tamu, has a ratio of refu is to tamu as 1:2. So this we have been given in the question. So do we know the amount of kg of refu in blend X? Yes, we know the amount of kg of refu in blend X is 6 kg since refu was not affected when he added some tamu rice. So we will say refu is to tamu will be 6 kg. 6 kg is to, what is tamu? Tamu will be 4 kg plus what was added, which is plus y. This one should be equal to refu is to tamu in blend X, which is equals to 1:2. So why have we said 4 kg plus y? Remember, here 4 kg of tamu was at 4 kg of tamu was what was in blend A when the 10 kgs were bought. But this retailer added some tamu rice to blend A to create blend X. So here we can develop our equation, which will say 6/4 plus y should be equal to 1/2. If we cross multiply, we shall have 6 times 2 is equals to 4 plus y, which will be 12 is equals to 4 plus y. If we take 4 to the other side, it will be 12 minus 4 is equals to y. So our y kgs that were added to blend A to create blend X was y is equals to 8 kg. So 8 kg of tamu was added to blend A to create blend X. So if you have gotten value from this video, kindly appreciate me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. As we go to the next question, which says the retailer sold blend X making a profit of 20%. Determine the selling price of 1 kg of blend X. Determine the selling price of 1 kg of blend X. So how are we going to do this one? Let us interpret the question again. Here we have blend X. Here we have blend X. And what is blend X? Blend X is a mixture of two things. It is a mixture of refu. It is a mixture of refu and tamu. It is a mixture of refu and tamu. And how many kgs of refu are in blend X? 6 kgs of refu are in blend X. And how many kgs of tamu are in blend X? The number of kgs of tamu that are in blend X are 4 plus 8. These are the 8 that was added to blend A to create blend X. These are the 4 that was originally in blend A. So it is 4 plus 8. Do we know the price of refu? Yes, we know, we have been given in the question. Refu is 80 shillings per kg and tamu is 140 shillings per kg. So when refu and tamu are mixed, what is the cost? What is the cost of buying 1 kg of blend X? So when refu and tamu are mixed, what is the cost of buying 1 kg of blend X? The way we do this, we'll say buying price of blend X, the formula we use is we take the number of kgs we have, which is 6, we multiply with the price which have been given, which is 80 shillings, okay, or we take the ratio, we add plus, what is the total kgs here? It's 12. We multiply with the price here, which is 140 shillings, and then we divide with the total kg or total ratio, which will be 6 plus 12. Once you do this, what answer will you get? You can pause the video and maybe do it. You will get, this will be 120 shillings. So the cost or buying price of blend X is equals to 120 shillings per kg. But the question is telling us this retailer, when he sold blend X, he made a profit of 20%. So we can say 100% is equals to 120 shillings. Why are we saying 100%? Buying price is usually 100%. No loss or profit has been made. But here profit has been made of 20%. So we add 20% to the 100 so that we have 100. What about 120%? So if 100% is 120 shillings, which is the buying price, what about 120%? How much will it be? It will be 120 times 120 over 100, which will be equal to 144 Kenyan shillings. So for the retailer to make a profit of 20%, he'll have to sell blend X at 140 shillings per kg. So we have solved part 2 of the question, which was 3 marks. So if you are getting value, I'll remind you again, kindly like so that many people can get access to this educational content. And if you want to see more questions from us, subscribe so that you don't miss. So let us go to question number 17b, which reads, the wholesaler prepared another mixture, blend B, by mixing X kg of blend A rice with Y kg of tamu rice. Blend B has a wholesale price of 130 shillings per kg. Determine the ratio X is to Y. So let us interpret this question again. Here, the wholesaler prepared another blend, which is called blend B. And what is in blend B? What is in blend B is X kg of blend A, is X kg of blend A plus Y kg of tamu rice. So here it is the same thing as, so in short, what they're asking us is the ratio. But what else have they told us? They have told us the cost of 1 kg of blend B is 130 Kenyan shillings. The cost of 1 kg of blend B is 130 shillings. So what do they want from us? They want us to find the ratio in which blend A and tamu rice were mixed. So they're asking us for the ratio X is to Y. So here the question we need to ask ourselves is, what is the cost? What is the cost? We need to ask ourselves, what is the cost? What is the cost of 1 kg of blend A? If I was to remind you, in our question when we started, blend A was made of refu plus tamu mixed in the ratio 3:2, and the cost of refu was 80 shillings per kg, and the cost of tamu was 140 shillings per kg. All this we had been given in the question. So is it possible to get the cost of 1 kg of blend A? It is possible. How do we do it? We just take 3, the ratio of refu, we multiply by the price, which is 80, and then we add to the ratio of tamu, 2, we multiply by the price of 1 kg of tamu, which is 140 shillings, and then we divide by the total ratio, which is 5. So what will we get as our answer? We'll get our answer as 104 shillings. So the cost of 1 kg of blend A is 104 shillings. So the other question we should ask ourselves is, what is the cost? What is the cost of 1 kg of tamu rice? This one, from our question, we know directly that 1 kg of tamu rice cost 140 shillings. You can read it in the question when we began. 1 kg of tamu rice cost 140 shillings. The beauty is that we have been told the cost of 1 kg of blend B is 130. So how can we do? So here we have X kg of blend A was mixed with Y kg of tamu rice. So they were mixed in the ratio X is to Y. How do we find the cost of 1 kg of blend B? It is very simple. We just repeat the formula. We'll say X kg of blend A, which costs 104 shillings. So we take the ratio in which it was mixed, X times the cost of 1 kg was mixed with Y kg of tamu rice, which costs 140 shillings per kg. This one we had in the question, over what is the total ratio they were mixed in, X and Y. The total ratio is X plus Y. So X kg of blend A, which cost 104 shillings per kg, was mixed with Y kg of tamu, which cost 140 shillings per kg, to form blend B, which cost 130 shillings per kg. So here what you do, you just cross multiply. So you will have 104x plus 140y is equals to 130 into brackets x plus y. So you will have 104x plus 140y is equals to 130x plus 130y. Let us bring like terms together. We can take 130 to this side. We can take 130 to that side. We can take 140 to the other side. So we'll have 104x minus 130x is equals to 130y minus 140y. So here our answer will be negative 26x is equals to negative 10y. So don't let the negatives complicate it. If we had done it the other way, we would have gotten positive. So here all you need to do is divide by negative 10, divide by negative 10. This will cancel, negative will cancel, here negative will cancel. So here we will remain with 26x over 10 is equals to y. We divide by x again, we divide by x again, cancel, cancel, we remain with 26 over 10 is equals to y over x. So here our ratio is 26 over 10 is equals to x over y. If we simplify, we can say by 13 by 5. So our ratio will be x is to y will be 13 is to 5. That is our answer. So that is our answer. That is the way that question was done. That was KCSE 2022 paper 2 question number 17. Thank you for your time, and kindly subscribe, like the video, so that we get encouraged and continue producing more content. If there is something you see I need to improve, kindly tell me in the comment section below. Or if there is a question that you want me to tackle, tell me in the comment section below. Thank you. Meet you in the next lesson and in the next video.